Hi, my name is Yehuda, and I teach math and computer science. I try to bring lightness to what we're learning. I want to feel like we're exploring it together and that it doesn't have to be scary or confusing or intimidating, just more of a shared exploration of the material. And yeah, I think there's value to levity as well, crack some jokes, or make fun of myself, or just keep it light. Because I think a lot of people with math in particular, they build it up as this big, scary thing. And they'll be like, I'm not a math person. Maybe that's true for some people. Some people really don't have an aptitude for it. But I think in general, most people, if they approach it from the right angle, or if they're introduced to it in the right way, or given the right visualizations, they can become a lot better at math than they would give themselves credit for. For a lot of people, you should be willing to take your time to figure out what you want and not necessarily feel this pressure of, okay, I graduated high school now. Next September, I need to be enrolled in some university program that I don't even know if I'm like. I mean, it's so common people bounce around programs, and I think you end up spending a lot of money and time that you didn't necessarily need to if you were just willing to take a little breath. Still, you have to find something productive to do with yourself after high school, but you don't necessarily have to decide what your life is going to be at 17. And I think that's what some people do. When you do have someone that engages with the material and seeing them go from being so intimidated by what we're working on to being confident enough to deal with it and start solving problems on their own, that's just very gratifying.